To buy Elevenlabs with PayPal, you will need to follow a series of steps that involve creating an account on a cryptocurrency exchange, linking your PayPal account, and then using it to purchase the desired cryptocurrency. First, you need to choose a cryptocurrency exchange that supports PayPal as a payment method and lists Elevenlabs. Some popular exchanges include eToro and Crypto.com. Once you have selected an exchange, you can proceed to create an account by providing the required information such as your name, email address, and password. After creating your account, you will need to verify your identity by providing identification documents such as a passport or driver's license. This is a standard procedure to comply with anti-money laundering regulations and to ensure the security of your account. Once your account is verified, you can link your PayPal account to the exchange. This will allow you to use your PayPal balance to purchase cryptocurrencies. To do this, you will need to navigate to the Payment Methods section of your account and select PayPal as your preferred payment method. After linking your PayPal account, you can proceed to purchase Elevenlabs. To do this, navigate to the Markets or Trading section of the exchange and search for Elevenlabs. Select the cryptocurrency and enter the amount you want to purchase. Review the transaction details carefully before confirming the purchase. It is essential to note that buying cryptocurrencies with PayPal may attract higher fees compared to other payment methods. Additionally, the availability of PayPal as a payment method may vary depending on your location. Before making a purchase, it is crucial to understand the risks associated with investing in cryptocurrencies. The value of cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile, and you may lose some or all of your investment. Therefore, it is essential to do your research, set a budget, and never invest more than you can afford to lose.